I said, the last time you want to feed him from the turkey, you can feed him well.
Hi guys. I'm not trying to play a little bit, you know. You see me now? I just got to have a little bit of fun. I'm not getting to ride the bike today, so I figured I'd fly it along the water's edge. Have a little fun out here playing. As you can clearly see in a second here, let me get this thing up a little bit, come forward. Beautiful lake. Now look at this wall. See that hole? Got a hole there. And I got a hole here. And then I've got another hole right here I got to fix. I fixed all these ones over here on this side. All of this wall was in pretty bad shape. Let me see if I can come this way and turn. I did a little patchwork on this wall a couple years ago. Fly over my neighbor's house. They're my neighbors. Hi. How you doing? Hey guys, bottom line is I'm almost 60 and I'm new to this stuff. So if I look like crap doing this, so be it. It's okay. I give up. I try, you know. It looks like to me I can tilt this up. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. I don't really want to fly too close to the out towards the dock. There's water out here, and I know how that turns out. The directions say don't do it. So we'll just fly back up here. See if I can go up these steps. Fly him all the way around. Kind of jumpy. This is my other neighbor's house. And my deck. Got a long deck. 85 foot long. Couldn't do anything with the hillside, so. Let's go up. Tilt this down. Everything looks small down there, don't it? Take a picture.